Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the Oracle Lighting rear cargo light for the 21 and up Ford Bronco, and we're even going to show you how to install it. This is the Oracle Lighting cargo kit for the 21 and up Ford Bronco. Now this lighting kit is only for Broncos that use a hard top. If you have a soft top equipped onto your Bronco, then this kit will not work for you. When you open up the cargo area to your Bronco, there's not a lot of light in there. So whether you're setting up equipment for your off-road adventure or just grabbing some belongings in there, it can be pretty hard to see. So by installing this cargo light, you'll be able to have way more light in the cargo area, making your life a lot easier if you have to do anything back there. Now this cargo light should take only about 30 minutes to install, so let's open the tailgate to our Bronco and get this thing in there. Before we jump into today's install, if you have any questions about the tools that we're using, check out cjponyparts.com/tools or click the link in the corner of the video for a free video and PDF file showing you what tools you should have and how to use them properly and safely. Alright, so the first part of this install is taking off this rear plastic cover for the rear wiper motor, so let's go ahead and do that. So this plastic cover is just held on by clips, so you're going to want to kind of just squeeze to release the clips and then working the cover off slowly as you're doing that. Now at this point, you'll grab your cargo light and put it in the exact same spot you just took the plastic cover off. There's going to be two studs that you want to line it up with, and then grab the hardware that's provided in the kit to be able to fasten it down. It's now time to take the power wire, route it along the passenger side to meet the power outlet on the passenger side. But one thing Oracle does provide in the kit is these clips to be able to hang the wire up so it's not just hanging down and in the way of your view. Let's go ahead, get this routed up and get it plugged in. So before I go ahead and start routing the wire, I'm just going to plug it in so that way I know what direction the wire is going to want to go. We're basically wrapped up with the install at this point. We have the cargo light tightened down and secured. We have the wire ran and plugged in. The only thing that we have left is actually plugging in these holes here. Oracle has these awesome plastic pieces to be able to fill in those holes to give it a nice factory finish. So let's go put those in and then turn on this light and check it out. To mount these plugs in, we'll just use the double-sided tape the kit provides. So stick a piece all around on the plug. And then just peel off the backing. And then just simply insert in the hole, press in so it sticks, and you're good to go. Now that everything's done, all we have to do is press the button on the side and let there be light. The Oracle Lighting cargo light for the 21 and up Ford Bronco is definitely something that you need. Whether you're camping, off-roading, or setting up equipment, or just need some more light to find the stuff in your cargo area, this is definitely the product for you. The installation was super easy with all of the hardware that they provided with the kit, and I gotta say, I love the way it looks. It almost looks like it's factory and it should have came this way. Now it's time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to purchase any of your own off-road products, check out the link down in the description below.